In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed code into your Weebly website. This full tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it simple for anyone to enhance their site with custom code snippets. Whether you're looking to add multimedia elements, third-party widgets, or any custom HTML, this guide should have you covered. To start, you'll need to open up your Weebly site editor. Once you're in, take a look at the top bar. There you'll see an option labeled Build. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice that when you do, a list of elements becomes visible on the left-hand panel. This list is your toolkit, offering various components that you can effortlessly drag and drop onto your website. Now, your focus should be on finding the embed code element within this list. It might be nestled among other useful options, but once you locate it, the process is as simple as dragging and dropping. Take that embed code element and bring it over to anywhere on your site within the editor. You have the freedom to place it where you feel it will best enhance your layout. After you've dropped the embed code element onto your site, the next step is to configure it with your code. This is where things get exciting. Click on the embedded section and you'll open up a space where you can enter or paste any type of code you need. This could be a video embed, interactive element, or even a widget. Whatever your requirement, this tool has you equipped to handle it. Once you've pasted your code, you're essentially all set. Give it a moment for the changes to reflect, and voila, you now have custom code embedded directly into your Weebly site. This entire process is designed to be straightforward so that even those without extensive technical skills can add interactive and dynamic content to their websites with ease. Before wrapping up, here are a few quick tips to ensure a seamless experience. First, always double-check the code you're embedding for errors, as even a small mistake can affect the functionality of your page. It's also wise to preview changes before publishing, ensuring everything looks and operates as expected. These small precautions can save you time and headaches down the road. And there you go, that's all there is to it. With these few simple steps, you can add a fresh layer of functionality and customization to your Weebly site. Feel free to experiment and see what new elements you can bring to life on your web page. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.